a live look over LAX this morning. Mostly clear skies. We're seeing quite a backup, though. Lots of people traveling today. Sunday is always kind of a big traveling day. Temperatures are going to be nice and mild this morning. Lower 60s for downtown, lower 50s for the valleys. Mostly clear skies for all areas across the Southland, and the mountains waking up to chilly temperatures, 27 degrees. Although we are warmer now than what we saw this time yesterday. That is all thanks to a ridge of high pressure, and that's actually going to break down, though, as we go into Monday. But for today, we can enjoy the warmer temperatures and well above average. It is going to feel like summer today. 84 degrees is where we will top out for downtown. Winds blowing out of the northeast, so those Santa Ana winds still in effect around 5 to 10 miles an hour. So as we put Futurecast into motion, you'll notice clear skies all throughout the day today. But as that ridge breaks down and we see the return of onshore flow, well, we'll see those clouds return as well. So Monday throughout the rest of the week, we will be under partly cloudy skies. But for today, really enjoy those warm temperatures if you like it. Most of us in the 70s and 80s today, so warmer than what we felt yesterday. Corona and Upland in the mid 80s for today. Apple Valley in the lower 70s, upper 80s. For areas like Pomona, you'll notice just about 3 degrees shy of 90 degrees. So temperatures about 10 degrees above average where we should be this time of year. Westlake Village in the lower 80s, as well as Simi Valley, Northridge sitting in the upper 80s for today. So giving you a look at kind of the big picture here again, that ridge breaks down and flattens as we go into Monday. We'll see the return of onshore flow and those sea breezes, which means that we'll see cooler temperatures as well as a little bit more cloud cover. You'll notice the system well up to the north will bring rain to areas of Oregon as well as Northern California, even into Nevada as well, maybe a little bit of mountain snow. We're going to skirt this system, so we'll stay dry through the beginning and really most of the week, but we have a slight chance of rain heading into Friday morning, potentially into Saturday as well, something that we are going to watch here in the weather department. But for now, we're going to be saying mostly cloudy skies, as right now it is a slight chance of rain. So today, if you love those warmer temperatures, soak it in today because we have lots of sunshine, warm temperatures in the upper 80s for the valleys today. Could even break a few heat records, especially along the coast, something again we will watch. But as we see the return of onshore flow Monday and Tuesday, cooler temperatures return to us and we'll be under partly cloudy skies heading into Wednesday. We'll see temperatures in the upper 60s, so we'll cool back down to average and then below average heading into Thursday and Friday. Again, a slight chance of rain as we head towards Friday and Saturday. And here's a look at sports.